Sa shop.
Igo siguro ito mo. Ako yung makain na dito sa window. Inaan siya dito.
Ano si Miss Lutz? Jackie? Ha? Bakit? Ha? Boris? Hindi, si Lutz. Parang Eskwelahan? Sila. Okay. Ako yan, yung sila dito. Morning. Late. Mag-wait din siya pa rin. Mag-wait siya na. Wala. Sige, sumunod na ka. Wala naman yung mga influence, no? Okay, so same like we have a meditation that we start. Inhale sa nose, count to 4. Exhale sa nose, count to 5. Okay, we're going to do that for 5 seconds. Rest in our own. And 5 comfortable sitting pose. You can cross your legs and you can put your hands up on your knees. Straighten your back, relax the shoulders, and close your eyes. And start to bring your awareness to you. Notice your every inhale and your every exhale. Breathe slowly, inhale to your nose. For 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale to your nose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale. And continue breathing in and breathe out to our nostrils. At this time, set whatever your intentions for this practice. And try to let go any worries or any negative thoughts about your past, your present, future, or anything. Let all the perspective. Just focus your intentions, your purpose, why you're trying to practice today. And just be yourself at the present. ear and down your head to your right side. Left ear, down your head to your right side. We hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back to center. Then interlace your fingers and bring your hands back up your head. Okay, look forward. Left leg, bring your elbow in. Then inhale. Then as you exhale, bow your head and bring your chin to your chest. Inhale, stretch up your neck and your back and your shoulders. Okay, then inhale forward. Again, interlace your fingers and bring your thumb finger under your chin. Then as you exhale, gently push your chin. Then again, come up or go to the seat for 5 minutes. Okay, then inhale forward. Again, bring your hands down to your side. Okay, from here, circle your arms up. Then as you exhale, bring your hands down, front of your mat, and slowly walk your hands forward. Go down to your toes. Okay, and this time, just let your chest or body sink into the mat. It will help to release any tensions in your body, your shoulders, your arms. Okay, then inhale, slowly come up. Then again, bring your hands down to your side. And from your circle your arms up. Palms together. Then exhale, right hand down. Side bend to your right side or side stretch. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, back to center. Okay, the other side. Left hand down. Side bend to your left side. As you exhale, bring your for 5 minutes. Okay, inhale back to center. Okay, from here, bring your left hand to your right, to your right hand at the back. Okay, then inhale at the neck. Please to your right side as you exhale. Try to push your chest forward. Okay, then inhale, look forward from here. Up push your arms. Then try to open your chest and then look up or you to the ceiling for 5 minutes. You can bring your shoulder together. Try to rotate your shoulder towards your lap. Expand your chest. Okay, then inhale, look forward, back to your chest line, other side to side. Right hand to your left, and twist to the left side. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward, hands to your side. Okay, from here, extend your right leg to the front. Bend the left knee, legs and right leg close. Then inhale, circle your arms up. Then as you exhale, lean forward, go down, bring okay, flex your toes to feel and stretch your arms. So we stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up, arms up. Okay, from here, bring your left hand at the back, right arms up, then shake the knees up. Extend your arms all the way to the bottom chest up. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring the hips down. Okay, the other side, extend the left leg and then the right leg. Okay, hands to your side, inhale, circle. Let's see how it goes. Then exhale, go down to your full head down. Okay, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly down, arms up. From your other side, right leg at the back, inhale, the hips up, exhale, again, extend your arms, hips up and chest up. Okay, go here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, exhale, bring your hips down. Okay, from here, extend your legs to the front, feet together. Then again, hands to your side, inhale, circle your arms up. Next, we have opposite toes. Then lean forward first, go down to your foot. Okay, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then inhale, look forward, bring your hands at the back or behind you. Fingers nakain, bend your knees. Okay, from here, as you inhale, knees up and chest up to your reverse table top. Okay, this time, try to squeeze your glutes and have your belly in. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your hips down. From here, straighten your leg and raise your fingers, round right foot. Inhale, extend your right leg forward and chest forward. Exhale. Okay, try to straighten your legs or try to straighten your knees. Okay, hold here for 5, chest forward. of your left thigh, hands behind. Very specific fingers, and then open your chest, straighten the arms, flex and left the toes, inhale, chest forward, then exhale, go down to your full head down. Then try to straighten your hands and hands away from your back. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1, then inhale, slowly come up to release and twist. Okay, the other side, extend your right leg, bend your left knee, raise your fingers, down your left foot. Inhale, stand, then exhale, chest forward, and hold for 5 minutes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, left arms up. Exhale, extend your arms to the back and then chest forward. Okay, hold here for 5. You can look to your right or left or look to the back for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward and then grab your left foot. And as you inhale, try to bring your shin closer to your form. And then inhale, let's stretch up your hamstrings and your back for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward, bend your left, bring your left ankle to your right head, and then hands behind. Okay, inhale, rotate, open your chest, straighten your arms, inhale, chest forward, exhale to your forehead. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up, then hands to your side. Okay, from here, so also the feet together. Release your fingers, grab your toes to chest, move your legs up and down to release the tensions in your feet. Okay, then back to center, go forward, in front of your head, inhale, chest forward, exhale, go down to your feet. Okay, try to push your knees down sa mat, or bring your knees down to the mat. Open your inner back, okay, stretch. Okay, walk your for 3, 2, 1, then inhale, slowly come up. Okay, from here, bring your hands behind, your fingers reaching out, and then also feet together. Rotate your shoulder, and then try to push your chest forward, and then move upward. Just stay for 5 minutes. Okay, walk here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, forward. Okay, from here, push your legs, and bring your hands down on the mat, down on the heel. Okay, we're going to do your subtract and elbow. So rest in line with your shoulders, knees as wide as your knees. Tap your toes. Okay, look forward. Then inhale, drop your belly down, chest up, looking up to your top. Then exhale, hug your belly, round the back and bring your chin to your chest. Double down to your heart. Inhale, drop your belly down, forward, round the chest. Exhale, hug your belly again, round back, chin to your chest. Okay, then inhale, drop your belly to the forward. And exhale, round back, hug your belly, chin to your chest. Okay, then inhale back to your neutral spine. Okay, from here, as you inhale, extend your right leg to the back. Flex your toes and extend your left arms forward. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here, bring your left hand up, and then push your right leg over your left leg. Then as you inhale, walk to your left side for all side stretch. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, look forward and extend your right leg to the back. Then bring your right knee down. The other side, extend your left leg. Inhale and extend your right arms forward. As you exhale, and hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down. Then push your left leg over your right leg and move to your right side. As you inhale, we hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward and then back to the center. Back to your feet. Okay, from here, extend your right leg to your right side and slowly come up to your hip, arms up. Okay, then inhale first, exhale, bring your left hand down, right arms up. And again, try to extend your fingers and arms, chest forward, elbow forward, release to your right finger. Okay, stay here for 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here, extend your right arms to the left side, right leg up. This time, hold for 3 breaths. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And from here, bend your right knee, grab your right elbow first. And as you inhale, try to push your hips forward. knees. Then as you exhale, try to push your hips forward, lean back and extend your arms all the way to the top. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. And again, bring your hands down to the mat. Right knee to the center, up to your foot. Okay, other side, extend your left side, inhale, your arms up, come up. Then as you exhale, right hand down, left arms up. Okay, hold here for 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, extend your left arms to your right side, left leg up. Okay, hold here for 3 breaths. Okay, then inhale first. Next, exhale, bend your left knee, grab your left ankle first. Inhale, try to push your hips forward, chest forward. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, bring your left foot down, again, back to center, arms up. Okay, then from here, bring your left hand down, body arms up, side bend to your left side as you exhale. And again, try to extend your arms, chest forward, you can go forward or release or move down. Okay, then inhale back to center. And from here, right hand to your right heel, second squeeze your glutes. Then as you exhale, try to push your hips forward, chest up, and lean down. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back to center. And bring your hands down to the mat. Body is up to your back. Left and listen. Okay, from here, from the middle back, hold your hands forward and bring your chest down to your body forward. Okay, and knees, walking your hips in line together. Hips up. Okay, hold it for 5 breaths. And move away forward. One more part. Okay, stay back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from that pose, slide your chest forward and bring your hips down and belly flat sa mat. Okay, yan na siya. Kurma, tap your toes. Then look forward, and as you inhale, straighten the arms and chest up. Okay, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you're up. Okay, then bring your hands beside your chest, take your elbow in, elbows sweeping up, and as you inhale, straighten your arms. Then chest up to your upward. Okay, the shoulders away from the ears. So try to rotate the shoulders towards the back. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then back up pose, hips up, go to your downward dog. Again, hold for 5 minutes. Okay, you can paddle your feet or you can see your hips side to side, release the tensions at the bottom of your hips, tightening our hamstrings. Okay, be back to center. Okay, from the nose, open your feet as wide as you mat. Feet as wide as you mat. Then again, hips at the top, downward dog. Look to the back, and outside good. Okay, then inhale first. Then as you exhale, grab your right ankle, right foot with your left hand. Then look to your right side and chest forward. And as right side, chest forward. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, release. Okay, another side inside. As you exhale, grab your left foot with your right. Again, chest forward and look to your left side. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Again, bring your feet together. Feet together. Then look forward. Slowly walk the feet forward. Now up to your half forward. Then exhale to your full head down. Okay, this time grab the elbows with your hands. And you can swing your body side to side. Or you can micro-bend your knees. One hand down. Head down or round the head when you towards the mat. Or just let your head down. Okay, then back to center. Then you raise your hands down first. Then inhale slowly come up, standing full circle your arms up. Bring your palms together. As you exhale, hands to your arms. Okay, then again, hands to your side. Inhale, circle, palms together. Then squeeze your glutes. Then as you exhale, try to push your hips forward, chest forward, lean down or standing back. Try to be hold for 3. Try to expand your chest. Try to extend your arms to the back. 2, Exhale to your full head down, forward fold. Inhale to your halfway, chest forward. Then exhale, hands down. Then sink your feet to the back, over your plank. Feet to the back, over your plank. Stay firmly pressed to your plank. Hug your belly, squeeze some glutes, lean forward the night. Then on your drop on shoulder. Contract the back, you're out in it. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then bring your knees down, chest down sa mat. Again, hands beside your chest. Feel your elbow in, elbow straightening up. And again, slowly come up. Strengthen your arms, chest up to your upward dog. And again, shoulders away from the ears. And again, tap your toes, hips up, body to downward dog. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Again, look forward, walk your feet or stick your feet towards the front halfway. Exhale to your full head down. Inhale, rise up, standing, circle your arms up. And again, interlace your fingers. Six and index finger from here. Again, try to push your hips forward. Lean forward, lean back, chest forward. We hold 3, 2, 1. Exhale, fold head down. Forward fold. Inhale to your halfway, chest forward. And exhale, hands down. Again, stick your feet to the back of your plank. Lean forward first. Then bring your knees down, chest down to the mat, chaturanga and then inhale upwards. Then tap your toes. Hips up, back to your downward dog. Okay, from your downward dog, right leg up to your knee. And try to extend your legs as high as you can. Try not to bend your knees. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then bring your right knee to your chest. Lean forward. Hug your belly in for 3 breaths. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Right foot forward. Between your arms, come up to your high lunge. Back and the toes. Mata hips up. Release the left knee. Okay, hold 5 breaths. Hug your belly in. Down, down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hands down. Again, right foot to the back. Plank. Lean forward, chest down to your child. Inhale, chest down. Chaturanga. Inhale to your upward. Straighten your arms. Then tap your toes, hips up, back to your downward. Okay, the other side. Left leg up. Inhale. Breathe in. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1. Then as you exhale, bring your left leg to your chest and then hug your right in for 3, 2, 1. Left foot forward, tap the right toes, hips up, kamakaya. Other side, hips up, down. Okay, hold 5. Hug your belly in. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hands down. Again, left foot to the back. Lean forward. You can bring your knees down, chest down to the mat. Inhale, upward. Then tap your toes, downward. Okay, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, now forward. Walk your feet or swing your feet towards the front halfway. Exhale, take your fold head down. Inhale, rise up, standing. Circle your arms up. Again, bring your palms together. Then exhale, hands to your heart. Okay, hands to your side. Again, inhale, circle. Interlace your fingers, palms facing up. And from here, try to extend your arms, right in your back here. Then as you exhale, heels up. Squeeze your glutes, hug your belly, and try to find your balance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, heels down, go down to your full head down. Inhale halfway, hands to your shin, and again hands down. Then stick your left foot to the mat, and then tap your left toes. Rise onto your high lunge. And heels up, we have on the left hand, high lunge. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We come here now, push your arm, lean back naman, your chest forward. We hold for 3 breaths, open your chest. 2, 1. Inhale, go forward, and bring your hands down to the mat. This time, straighten your legs, right leg. Look forward, left leg, go down, and roll the knees. Okay, hold here for 5 breaths. Straighten your legs. So if you want a little stretch, you can bring your left hands down sa mat. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And inhale, look forward, and then bend your right knee. Okay, this time, extend your right leg to your left side. Right hand down, left arms up, hold and triangle pose. one, back cross your arms, inhale, open your chest, and inhale, back. Forward press. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, up forward, bring your hands down to the mat, straighten your left hip. Inhale, left hip first, exhale, bring fold. Or to your final big pose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, look forward, bend your left hip. This time, other side, extend your left hip to your right side. Left hand down, wide arms up, low leg triangle pose. So we hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, right hand down again. Right foot to the back, left foot to the back with your downward twist. Okay, but follow your feet, reverse your knees. Okay, then from your downward dog, again, extend your right leg up to your 3-legged. Right leg up, 3 here. Okay, this time, bend your right knee, open your right inner thigh, knee sprinting up. Then try to bring your heels closer to your toes, face your shoulder points. Okay, then we're going to do a wild plank pose. Okay, from that pose, bring your right foot down to your left side and hips down. Then as you inhale, hips up, long pose. Chest up, extend your right arms all the way to the back. Okay, hold your for 5 breaths again. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, right hand down again. Body center, repeat. Right leg up, inhale. Okay, then as you exhale again. Right foot forward. Back to your high touch. Right foot forward. High touch down. Okay, from here, bring your left elbow to your right thigh. Palms together, bring your twist. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, bring your left knee down, and then twist it out. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale forward, extend your arms up to your hip touch. Okay, from here, bring your left hand to your left wrist. Big mama show exhale. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up, arms up, and again bring your hands down to your mat. Then left foot forward, roll down to your toes, head down. Inhale halfway, then exhale hands down, and then sink your feet to the back to your mat. Lean forward, chest down to your chaturanga and yasana. Inhale upward, then exhale to your downward dog twist. Okay, the other side and set left leg up, really good. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1. Bend your left knee, open your left inner thigh, and then try to bring your heels closer to your glutes for a nice fusion cross. Okay, then from that pose, bring your left foot down to your right side and knees down to your one-legged breath. Then as you inhale, knees up, chest up, and extend the left arms to the front. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Bring your left hand down, body squeezing, left leg up in, and straighten your legs. Yes, exhale. Again, left foot forward, come up to your high knees. Bend your left knee, tap your right heels, right side. Okay, right elbow to your left thigh, palms together. Then inhale your belly in, or on twist, hands to your heart. Left elbow pointing up. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, bring your right knee down. Twisted prayer behind. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, release the pose. Left foot to the back, up to your downward dog twist up. Then again, lean forward. You can bring your knees down, chest down to your chest. Inhale upwards, straighten your arms. Then tap your toes, hips up, body center. Okay, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, long forward, walk your feet or stick your feet towards the front of the body. Then exhale to your full head down. Inhale, rise up, standing, circle your arms up, palms together. Then exhale, hands to your heart. Okay, hands aside, mag-chair ka. Ikaw mo, babae sa musin. Hands sa same. Water breaks up, water breaks up. makita ako, silip ko. If not, hindi mo na may silip sa likod. Huwag kang pinig mo sa likod sa inyo. Okay, then exhale to your fold, head down. Touch your knees from down and then repeat to our sana. Inhale to your halfway. Then exhale, hands down. Step back or jump back to your back. Then lean forward first. And bring your knees down or chest down to your chaturanga. Again, take your elbow in. Inhale, straighten your arms upward. Chest up. Tap your toes. Body set down for you. Okay, right foot forward. This time, naka-heels down and back. Bend your right knee now after you warrior one, arms up. Okay, then try to extend the fingers and arms. From hands in line with here. So you can say elbow again. Have you ready? Double down. Try to find alignment. Wala na baba. Okay, hold 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, hands down. Again, right foot sa likod. Back to your flat. Then lean forward first. Knees down, chest down to your chest. Inhale, straighten your arms. Chest up to your upward. Then hips up, back to your downward. Other side is set. Left foot forward, bend to left knee, straighten your right knee. Again, heels down, rise up, warrior one. Safety halfway. Try to find alignment, hands in line with here. So we hold 2, 1. Then exhale, hands down. Again, left foot to the top, back to your front. Then lean forward, chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale, straighten your arms, chest up to your upward. Then tap your toes, hips up, body set upward. Okay, stay for 5, let's start over. Okay, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, look forward, walk your feet, or stick your feet towards the front halfway. Then exhale, beautiful, head down. Inhale, rise up, chair, bend your knees behind. Look forward, have your belly. Then straighten your legs, palms together. And as you exhale, straighten the legs. Then hands to your heart. Okay, one more round of chair. Again, hands to your side, inhale to your chair. Okay, then look forward, but bring to the figure 4, so right ankle to your left hand, hands to your heart. Again, have your belly, elbow down, figure 4. Sink your hips down, behind, look forward, chest forward. And try to find balance for 3 breaths. So 3, 2, 1. Inhale, straighten. Then lean forward, extend the right leg, good warrior. 3. Then again, try to find a balance. Dapat ang ankles, hips, and shoulders in line together. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, bring your right foot down. Again, up to your high, that's arms up. Okay, this side, tapos yapon si arms. Bend yapon sa left knee. Lower down sa right knee. Twist away from the mat for 3 just. Engage the legs, straighten. Okay, straight is bend. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, straighten arms up. Okay, from here, right heels down. Open your arms to your warrior to base and front. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, hands to your heart. Straighten sa left legs. Extend sa right side. So bend your right knee, right elbow inner side of your right leg, hands to your heart. Okay, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, right hand down, left arm sa pinky. Then as you exhale, bring your left hand sa likod. Exhale, ano mo sa legs, right leg. Right. Ibalik leg. Grab your fingers or walk your fingers together. Inhale, chest forward. And as you exhale, look up or you can just lean for 3 minutes. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Then release your hands down. Then slowly come up. Balik sa warrior. Okay, bring your hands down, hands sa mat. Then try to extend your right leg to your back leg. If you're part of balance, you will extend your right arms down to your back leg. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then as you inhale, bring your right hand down first. Then lower down sa right foot. Ibalik sa warrior. Okay, from here, right hand down, left arms up. Bend down sa left knee, side bend or reverse your warrior for 5. Let's say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, open. Okay, this time, straighten up sa left legs. Hips back, bring your right hand down to your shin or to the mat, right arms up to your triangle. Okay, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, forward, you can look forward or gaze to your left finger. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Then instead, bring your hands down to the mat, bend the left knee, tap to the right toes, hand belly in. Extend the arms forward, runner's lunge. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, bring your hands down. Then the plank side plank sa right side. So bring your left foot on top side and right foot. Then lower your body to your right side, right hand down, left arms up to your side plank. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, left hand down, plank, again, chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale, straighten the arm, chest up. Then tap your toes, hips up, body set down for you. Okay, stay for 5, but strengthen your back, strengthen your legs. Bring us your hips side to side. Okay, the back to center, drop the foot, and then look forward, walk your feet or stick your feet towards the front, halfway, hands to your chin, chest forward. Look forward or take your right hand here. Then exhale to your fold, and down. Inhale, rise up chair, bend your knees, other side down. Okay, left ankle to your right, right, and hammer belly, hands to your heart, chest forward. That way na. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten up to your right and left. Lean forward, extend the left leg side. Good warrior 3. And then try to find your balance for 5 breaths. Same count, ankles in line with your hips and shoulders. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, bring your left foot down, high lunge, arms up. Okay, from here, tapos the arms, then lower down the left knee, inches away from the mat. Okay, hold for 3, engage and left the legs. 2, 1, inhale, straighten arms up. Okay, from here, bring your left heel down, open your arms to your right, to gaze to the front, right finger. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale, straighten hands to your hips, and bring your right toes in. Okay, look forward, inhale, go down to your foot, and bring your hands down between the your feet. Okay, inhale, lengthen first, exhale to your fold, head down. Again, round the head, your hips and mat, look to the back, shoulders away from the ears. So try not to bend your knees for 3. Chest forward, 2, 1. Then lengthen first, straighten the arms. Okay, from here, bring your hands to your hips. Inhale, slowly come up to your standing legs. Okay, and then right goes out. Open your arms, gaze to the front. From here, bring your right hand down off the mat. Extend your left leg to the back. Then you can find your balance, you can extend your left arms up to your halfway. Same behapon ng ankles dapat in line sa inyong hips. Okay, hold 5, 4. Pwede na kita ito sa almost 2, 1. Okay, from here, bring your hands down first, then lower down sa left foot, and then balik sa warrior 2. Okay, left hand down, belly hand goes right knee, right arms up, inhale, side bend, reverse warrior to your left side for 5 breaths. Palms facing down. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, open the side, straighten the right leg, hips back, right hand down to your shin, or to the mat, left arms up, right. Then chest forward, you can look forward, gaze to your left finger. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, revolve. Bring your left hand down, right arms up. Straighten the upper and back legs. Chest forward, and you can look forward or you look to your right fingers. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Then bring your hands down. Okay, this time, other side. Bend your right knee. Itatapos sa left na toes, have your belly in. Extend the arms forward with your runner's lunge. Hands in line with ears. Okay, hold 5. Pag-alian mo yan. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, hands down. And side lang sa left side. Bring your right foot on top side of left foot. Left hand down, extend the arms. Same count, engage ang inyong core. Squeeze ang glutes. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay, then chaturanga. Tamang inhale to your both pa. Exhale to your downward your hips. Okay, then sige na. Then wala na mag-hands na. Okay, hips up. Okay, then from that pose, bring your knees down sa mat. Then come up to your lower the pose, kneeling pose. Okay, then hands to your hips. Same dapat ang knees as wide sa inyong hips. Squeeze down sa glutes, nakatak sa toes. Then And as you inhale, right to push your hips forward, chest forward, lean back to your supporting downward pose. And try to open your chest. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up forward, bring your hands down. So not down for the nose. Hug your belly, cheek to your chest. Round and lift. Ang counter sa ako. Round and lift. Round and lift. Hug your belly. Okay, then inhale back to your neutral spine. Again, slowly come up the apple. Hands to your hips. Then we have to also did not any na pose. So you can tap your toes. And if you want any stretch, pwede rin mo siya i-tap. Then again, push your hips forward. Then as you exhale, bring your hands down to your heels. Then again, lift back. Okay, hold for 5. Pero kung pinitis, pwede rin pinakanan. Or maybe you can push your hands to your hips. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, slowly come up again. Hands to the mat. Rock your upper foot, rock your toes, chin to your chest. Have you ready? Okay, then inhale back to your neutral spine. Okay, from here, open your knees as wide as your mat, nose together, and bring your hips down to your heels. Chest down, extend your arms forward, rest on the chest. Malay ka nagkapit. Malakad kapit. Ako sa inyo. My story was into this week. Doha pa ng kabo. Live na?
Dili.
Ah, very good lang. Ah, sige. Okay, balik na sa atong pilota. Pilota. Okay, pag ang pilota, right foot forward. Okay, then from here, hips down, bring your hips down. The left hand down, right hand sa your right hand. Right hand. Okay, try to open your right hand to your right side. And then open your right. Okay, go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then release, hands down, right hand down. Hips back. Straighten the right hand. When I straighten that, flex our toes. Then go down to your foot. You can move your hands forward or you can bring your elbows around. Okay, then go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up forward and then across your right knee. Okay, this time open your left elbow, grab your right ankle with your left hand. Extend your right arm sideways. Again, hips down. Okay, from that pose, bend your left knee. You bend sa left knee, you grab your left na ankle. pero kung taas mo, ano kaya siya, pwede siya, i-straight siya. I-straight ang hilan. Then, para maabot. Gano'n na. Okay, then hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Then, naka-lower down, naka-lower ang elbow is straightened. Okay, then from here, itama ko sa toes, hips to your right hand hips. Okay, then hips down, you grab your right ankle, right arms up, then lean, side bend sa left side. Okay, then try to open your chest. Bahala lang din maabot importante wala di round yung likod. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then back to center. Okay, from here, extend sa legs sa kabanan. Okay, then inhale, arms up. And extend forward, fold sa inyong right hand. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. The other side na sa fold to sa left na legs. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. Okay, from here, right hand sa likod, left arms up, then twist. Try to touch your toes to the mat and extend si arm sa likod. Okay, hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hips down. Okay, this time, grab some big toes. Go forward, chest forward, and roll down through. We hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Okay, from here, bend your right knee. Bring your hands up sa front sa mat. Bend your right knee, then face to the front to your pigeon pose. Okay, then extend si, pwede rin extend si arms na kung ma-extend. If not, then hindi rin support ang hands sa mat. Then chest forward, okay, then hold it for 5 minutes. Pwede rin i-support, pwede na siya i-extend. Okay, 3, 2, 1, hold down, please. Okay, stay here for 5 minutes. Okay, then inhale, slowly come up. Yes, okay, for other side na sanda. Left foot sa tumakan na side, hands up sa inyong mat, exhale sa right side. Then, right, lower down sa right knee, right hand down, left hand sa inyong left knee. Try to open your left leg with your left side and knees down. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your hands. Again, knees down, straighten sa left knee legs. Legs up close, go down to your half straight forward. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1. Inhale up forward and advance your right knee. This time, lower down your right arm. Extend your left arms to the back. Okay, then inhale first. So exhale, bend your right leg, grab your right, or bend your right knee, grab your right ankle with your left, and again, hips down. When you're stretch ka muna, kung hindi ka na okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Magana ang platform ano, so, toes, knees away from the mat, stand down sa tina side. Left hips, left na hips sa inyong left na hips. Hips down. We grab up sa left ankle sa inyong right na hand, left arm sa inhale, then side bend sa right side exhale. Then again, okay lang kayo maabot si toes, importante hindi yung round na hip. Okay, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. And again, anak mo na. Extend na po si left side one. Okay, then inhale, arms up, fold sa left side. Okay, then inhale, slowly come up, tapos sa the other side, exhale, fold to the right side. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. And again, bring your left hand sa likod. And as you exhale, knees up. Try to touch your toes to the mat. And stand your body arms all the way to the mat. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your hands, hips down. Okay, this time, hands will begin sa inyong thigh. And slowly move your hands forward. Roll down to your toes. Head down. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Again, bring your hands front sa inyong mat. And bend sa left knee to your pigeon pose. Dapat natin yung toe, drawing your shin, facing forward. Okay, look forward, try to straighten the arms. Then if you can extend the arms, right there, right now, you can support your hands down some. Then chest forward. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, reverse the picture forward. Okay, then inhale, slowly come up. From here, bring your right foot to the front. So step them together to your bottom right. You can raise your fingers, you can move your legs, move your knees up and down, your release medications up and down. Okay, back to center. Okay, from here, stand up to select sa kawanan. Cross the body together, hands to your side, inhale, circle your arms up. Then as you exhale, lean forward first, then go down and hold here. Okay, hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Then bring your hands behind your fingers nakain. Bring and toes. Then from here, as you exhale, hips up and chest up. Then try to touch your toes to the ground. Then again, squeeze and glutes. Hug your belly in. Okay, hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, bring your hips down. After from here, bend your right knee, grab your right knee, close and use this finger. Bring and left na toes. Try to extend sa taas sa right leg. When this goes forward, hindi siya akong quads, extend sila ng arms. Lean back kamay, isa sa tingin. Pagkariya sa gamit yan para makabalance. So we hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Other side. Ikuwet ang toes para makabalance. Lean back, kariya, extend sa isa. Then, isa na po sa right leg. Balance na siya, basta i-engage mo ka na. Okay, 5, 4, ikuwet lang ang toes. 3, chest forward, 2, 1, release. Okay, so i-open lang sa legs, okay, sa asway sa inyong mat. Then, grab the soles sa inyong feet, sa inyong kamot. Okay, from here, hug your belly in, round and liquid, and bring your chest, chin to your chest. Okay, then try to push your toes forward para madura ang aming shoulder. Okay, stretch ang aming liquid. Okay, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale forward again, hands sa likod na sa point ang fingers out, point ang toes. Lift ang shoulder. As you exhale, let go. Open your chest. Then it will come with your sleep for 5 minutes. Okay, inhale forward, feet together. Then, supine twist. Cross your right leg over your left, hug your right knee. Right hand sa likod, inhale. Twist your right side, exhale. Okay, hold 5. Chest forward, hapon. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale forward, other side. Straighten your right leg, cross your left leg, hug your left knee. Twist sa left side. Again, chest forward. Okay, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now forward, straighten your legs. Hindi na sa matay lang sa matay. Then, sa ka-bridge lang, after anak, wala ka. Goods na. Okay, then just bend your knees to your bridge pose. Feet as wide sa inyong hips. Okay, okay, then inhale first. Then as you exhale, again, hips up and chest up to your bridge. Hips up, chest up. Then, hips squeeze sa inyong neck. Do not touch your shin. If you want to open your shoulder, you can encourage your fingers sa likod. Then try to touch ang inyong kamot sa mat. Para ma-open your shoulder. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Okay, this time, hug your knees to your chest. Then head up or forehead to your knees. To stretch our back and upper back and our neck. Okay, hold for 3, 2, 1. Then exhale, head down. Just hug your knees. Then grab your big toes with your face finger. Then grab your big toes with your face finger. Then try to open your knees so you happy baby pose. So this one touch. Got it. Okay, then try to bring your knees down sa mat. Bring mo siya pero sa mat. Open ang feet. Okay, naka-open siya. Yeah, down. Okay, then you roll the body side to side in your happy baby pose. Okay, stay for 5 minutes. Roll. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then straighten your legs. Okay, from that pose, cross your right leg over your left leg. Okay, cross your right leg over your left. Ang right knee na open sa taas. Open your arms to your side down with your left hand and look for your right. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, knees up. Back to center. The other side, straighten your right leg. Push your left leg over your right. And as you exhale, lower down your left knee to your right side and look for your left. And again, if you want an inverse here, you can push your left knee down with your right hand. Okay, stay for 5 minutes. Okay, back to center. Okay, this time, straighten your legs, feet as wide as your neck. Then you can put your hands alongside of your body, or you can extend your arms overhead and put your hands down on the belly. Any position that you feel comfortable. And close your eyes, rest in your final pose or Shavasana. Then slowly roll to your right side. And stay for a couple of breaths. When you're ready, slowly come up to your seat. Again, close your legs. We're going to love your meditation before I know practice. Bring your hands down on your knees and again close your eyes. And start to bring your awareness to your breath. Notice your inhale, breathe. Deep breath in to your nose. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale to your mouth. 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale. Hold your breath. And exhale to your mouth. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath. And deep exhale. Okay, and go back to your normal breathing. And encircle your arms up by your palms together. And as you exhale, bring your hands to your forehead or between your brows. And we're going to say some affirmation. I trust my inner guidance to see the world with clarity. And bring your hands to your heart. And open your heart.